Hello, this is Sergio with Smart LED, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how to change the SIM card in a Smart LED brain box such as this. So the tools you will need will be obviously if your sign box is locked, you need the key, but this one is unlocked. So you will need the key to open the box right here, if it has a key, if it's locked. You will need the SIM card, which we said, and you will need just a simple power tool, or you can also use a manual Phillips head screwdriver. So normally the brain box is inside of a box like this. Sometimes it may be behind a panel, which will require that you remove a panel from the sign and then find the brain box inside. But for the demo, we're going to be doing it here with this box, okay? So the main thing is you basically open the box, okay? And then you'll find the brain unit, which is this one right here, okay? You want to disconnect the power first. This is the power. Make sure that the LEDs are off. See that these are usually when on they're green and amber. So make sure that those are off, and then proceed to remove these two screws. The SIM card is actually here on the side that has the brightness sensor. This is the brightness sensor and the 4G antenna. So you can see the SIM card right there. That's going to be the old SIM card. This is going to be the new SIM card we're going to put in there. So basically be careful that when you're open the box, be careful with the brightness sensor, the 4G antenna, which is this right here. Make sure that you move everything off to the side so you have a clean working area. And then with a power tool or a manual screwdriver, we're going to remove these two screws right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, there's one screw, and oops, it slipped there. And then there's the second screw. Okay, so now I'm going to lift this thing straight up. Careful not to lose the screws. I'll put them here off to the side. Okay, and then when I lift this unit up, I can more clearly see the SIM card off to the side here. Okay, now normally we would remove, I'm going to go ahead and remove this gold-plated 4G antenna connector, so I have a clean look at the SIM card, which is right there. So the way we remove the SIM card is very simple. We usually, what we do is we take the SIM card. I'll try to hold the camera here. So we take the SIM card, we use the actual SIM card right here to push in that, so we just use the edge to push the SIM card out. Here, let me show you. Okay, just gonna use the edge to click the SIM card in, and then it'll slide out. See, when it comes out like that, then you can usually you may need a pair of tweezers, but usually with your fingers you can just pull it out just like this. Okay, and you can see that the position of the SIM card is that the gold contacts, hold on, I'm gonna move this around right here. So as you can see, the gold contacts of the SIM card will face down. These need to face down. Okay, so basically the SIM card will go like that. So the contacts are facing down when you insert the SIM card, and the notch is facing to the top right there. So okay, I'm gonna put this one aside. That's the bad SIM card. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the new one, and this has a triple cut, so you can see you have to make sure you use this, not the big one, but the second one right there is the one that we're gonna use. So I'm gonna go ahead and punch it out. Okay, and as you can see, when I punch it out, it's too small, so I need to punch out the next ring over right here. See, just like that. So then we're just gonna punch this out. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the two pieces, so we can insert it just like that. See, now it's back, except this corner, just like that. See, and now it's matching the size of the one that came out. This M10 is the one that came out, M6 is the one we're gonna put in. So once again, I'm gonna line it up, the gold contacts on the bottom, okay? Then I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get a better shot of this for you. Okay. So there's the empty, oops. There's the empty SIM card slot. So again, with the contacts down, I'm gonna go ahead and insert it in there. Okay, you see that? Okay, then I'm gonna push it in. Let's see. Then I'm gonna push it in all the way until it doesn't go anymore. And sometimes it's hard to get it to click, so I'm gonna use the old SIM card to push it in until it clicks. Okay, when you hear an audible click, then you can see that it's fully inserted. And then now you need to attach the antenna cable back on here. And you need to attach the two screws, these two screws back on. You need to attach the power back on. And when you attach the power back on, you'll see the lights turn on here. And then you'll see that the whole system will boot back up. And that's all there is to it. If any questions, you can call us at 1-800-762-0796, or you can email us at sales@smartledinc.com. Thanks for watching.